Hi, my name is Eddie Monlewis. This presentation is part of a Toro College course SEDN 667 with Professor Dr. O'Connor. I will discuss counseling and support group as intervention programs to support a child of divorced parents. In this scenario, I will discuss a sixth grade female student named Divine whose parents have been divorced since she was 5 years old. The situation is further compounded because Divine's family is faced with financial challenges. I will look at evidence-based research on the effects of divorce on children, intervention programs for Divine, how to assess the effectiveness of the intervention program. Ackerman, in her article, Effects of Divorce on Children, Traits of Resiliency and School Interventions, discussed the effects of divorce on children through her research on literature, observations by educators, and support group efforts. This research provides empirical evidence that perfectly fit Divine's current situation. The intervention program which I will implement to assist with Divine's situation would be regular counseling and support group. Regular counseling, according to the American School Counselor Association, in their article, The Essential Role of Elementary School Counselors, stated that counseling provides professional assistance and support to a student or small group of students during times of transition, heightened stress, critical change, or other situations impeding students' success. Because of the multitude of problems which confront Divine, she will need regular long-term counseling. The intervention program will commence with the school counselor who would source the services of a long-term counselor since school counselors do not provide long-term services. The problem transcends the school walls. Therefore, there is a need for a support group mechanism. Divine's mother must be part of this support group for continuity when they are at home. Stephen highlighted the importance of parents and the major role that they play in how their children turn out. Parents are powerful role models for children. Divine's mother must be part of this support group and must be provided with assistance and strategies to help with that in that journey because she has her own issues, medical issues. She never graduated from high school, and so it is important for her to be part of this intervention program. Ackerman, in her research, noticed that the numbers were rising nationwide as it relates to children living in stressful environments because of divorce. The situation exerts a significant level of stress which impedes Divine's academic performance. Therefore, maintaining an academic performance portfolio would show any improvement over time. Additionally, a log on behavior should be kept to monitor progress in that area. Finally, Boynton and Boynton highlighted the importance of a positive teacher-student relationship, and this is of paramount importance to Divine. Divine is a very smart girl, irrespective of her circumstances. I think she is a resilient child because despite her endurance of her parents' divorce and socio-economic situation, she was able to score in the 97th percentile in reading. The intervention programs highlighted in this presentation is created in a flexible manner so that adjustments could be made to ensure that Divine achieve her goal.